we are doing like that, you have one workbook over here and the another workbook over here. You like to move this two sheet from this workbook to over here, maybe end of this sheet over here. There's several ways to do it. For me, suddenly, if you are going to do suddenly, it's easy to do it. Right click, move or copy. I'm going to select over here, and I don't want to create a copy, so I'm going to move it out over here. So automatically come to here, and all the value is going to be as the negative, no? So the VLOOKUP, and again I'm going to change it end of that sheet. Yeah, that's it. Now, so all the VLOOKUP also are there. So whole there. You can see CS all table also came to here. CS all. CS all also. Okay, that's a easy way to. There are several ways to. You can match two Excel sheet, Excel book, or you can transfer to another. For that, for which I done now, for that you have to open the both Excel book workbook, then you can transfer the what do you call it, sheet. So that's a easy way to for me. So suddenly you need to do something, suddenly you can able to remember it. I think that's a easy way to. There are several ways you can do those way too, but this is the easy way for me to. That's why I show it to you.